What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, High End Hauls. I am Rashad. So we have actually did it, y'all. I bought my first supercar and I'm very excited about it. Also, you know that we got the 450 completed. We got the 6-inch lift. We got the 26-inch American Force wheels. We got the rock lights put on it. We got the Recon white cab lights done. We have the Lincoln that's sitting over there. Appreciate my guy Chad for putting on the alternator. I think I need a carburetor now, so trying to get that all right, ready for summer of 2023. Just super grateful. So I got the supercar that I'm about to show y'all. We have the Audi S8 that's Thor. We have the Escalade that we call Ace. And am I missing a car? S8? We got a bunch of them. So we got Brutus. Can't forget about Brutus. Brutus has 850,000 miles right now. And we're gonna try to get 1 million. So bear with me while we do that. But let's show you the supercar. All right, guys, so here it is. It's a 2008 Audi R8. It's V8. Yeah, I know it's not a V10, it's not the manual, but it is okay. We're gonna live with it. It's sitting on custom Boston wheels, air tanks that was custom made by Classy House Performance. Pretty color blue. We got Maxim Designs body kit on it. The guy that I bought it from, Larry in Texas, spared no expense. We got custom carbon fiber steering wheel, suede Alcantara diamond stitched seats, Alcantara headliner, custom subwoofers right here in the back, Sony, who he works for. Very excited the way it came out. Very, very pleased. So I plan on getting a custom tune done to it to where it's shooting fire. So I'm very excited about that. That should be next month. Just keep following me with the progress that we're going to keep doing to this, and we're going to keep doing it the High End Hauls way. All right, y'all, so we're about to head to AP3 to get these windows tinted. Larry, he didn't like riding with window tint for some reason. I don't know why. He liked the fishbowl. Larry, you wrong for that. But anyways, we're going to put some nice tint on it. I'm thinking 15% on both sides, 50% on the front windshield, and on the rear we'll do probably 15% as well. So let's go. Guys, so me and Mario was just sitting here talking, and if most of y'all don't know, Mario is my camera guy here. We was just talking about if the R8 is faster than my Audi S8, and it's not. The Audi S8 is twin turbo V8, and it has a APR tune stage 1, so it's pretty quick. Now the R8 is a regular stock V8. But it's an R8, so you can't really complain. I want to do a tune. I talked to my guy Harry. He said that we could get a tune for like $500, which would be the APR stage 1 for the R8. But I told him that I wanted to have purples. I wanted to shoot fire. And then he said I might have to twin turbo, but I'm not trying to do all that extra money work. So, but I got another guy up in New York that said that he can have a 3-stage tune where there's no burbles, mid burbles, and then you got your purples and you got your flames. For some of you that don't know what burbles is, it's like your crackles and your pops whenever you downshifting and stuff like that. So I got to get it. It helps out. Alright y'all, so we got the 15% on the sides, 50% on the windshield. It's the ceramic tint. Who knew ceramic tint could be so expensive? That shit was like $525.
We have no money.
But it's okay. It's all looking good now. I didn't want to do too dark with Popo pulling me over every 5 minutes or so. So it's a little bit of lightness to it and a little bit of dark. So I think it fits well. What y'all think? And also, this is the stock height. Well, not stock height. This is the ride height that we ride. So guys, we are back. The tint is done. I'm about to take the R8 to my guy Steve at Showcase. He's gonna put some ceramic coating on it, the car, the wheels. We got a wing coming forward, so much more updates is coming. Again, I hope y'all liked it. Like I said, it's not brand new SUPERCAR or Invincible SVJ or whatever, but I don't compare to anybody else. I am me. I'm very happy with my little SUPERCAR that I was able to accomplish and get. I want y'all to check out the new video that we did for Zeus, and much more is coming. So just bear with me, and I appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, comment.